On today's video, we are going to see how we can make $1,000s in 1 week. Yes, $1,000. My advice for you is to watch this video to the very end, even if this site is familiar. Let's get to today's video.
Alright, so you have to visit your App Store or Google Play Store, and search for Gamey. Click on Install. After installing, don't open it. Here is the trick start. After watching and understanding this video, go to the video description and click on the site link. It will direct you to your web browser, and your browser, too, will direct you to the app that we download. Click on More Options, and click on Sign Up. To sign up, you have to enter your first name, last name, and click on Next. Enter your email, password and click on Next. All correct. We are done for the sign up. The interface will show like this. Click on Claim Tickets. You can do more with this particular app by playing games, spinning wheels, and many more. In every week, they give away $1,100. The first person takes $500. You can also join. And the minimum withdrawal is $10, which can withdraw to your PayPal account. You can refer friends to get 10 cents per each referral. Sign up for this site using the drop method and see what you will get from this site. If you are facing any problem, drop it in the comment box. We will get to you. Thank you.